Helo, blwyddyn newydd dda I chi gyd. Happy New Year to you all. Here are just a few simple instructions as to how to access our Google Meet meetings for the live streaming lessons every morning and how to access the work. It's always easier if you go through a browser and not through an app, because we know then what the view that you have on your device, and then we could help you if you're struggling and need to phone the school. So from Google, you'd put Hub, you would log in, and always log in through Hub, because if you're not with a Hub email when you try and join the meeting, you won't be able to join. So don't do it from your own personal accounts. It has to be through your child's account. So once we get to Hub, we click here and you need to join Google Education. At this point, you may have to re-log in. So you might have to put your details in again, which would be your child's email address and your child's password, which they all have. If you don't know those, contact the school. We have copies. So you will have one class here. I've obviously got a few more. I'll go to Dosbarth Robin Goch. So you click on your child's class, like so. And up here, you'll see there's stream, there's classwork, people and marks. Now, all of your child's work will be under classwork. So if you click here, you will see that there's folders all the way down for however long that your child has had work being posted on Google Classrooms. Right, here, if you scroll right down to the bottom, we can see here there's week 1 working from home, so dysgu o bell. So here, for this week, all of the folders will be put under different headings. After some teething problems this morning, we've had a meeting and we've now decided that every day under here we will put a copy of the link to the Google Meet here. So you will click on this and it will automatically bring you to your Google meeting. So you click join now. And I will be the only one in the meeting today, right now, okay? You shouldn't need to wait for the teacher to allow you in. If you have that message, it's probably because your email address is not a Hub one, therefore you won't be able to access the meeting. That's why it's really important that you log in through your child's email address and password, otherwise you won't be able to join the meeting. And we have told all teachers, if it's not a child's name, to decline the person trying to come in, because obviously we don't know everyone's names and we don't know whose devices you're using. So just so we all know that it's the child that's trying to access the meeting. Here then, we have our live streaming agreement, which you've all seen, and for today, the activities for Wednesday. Tomorrow morning, here, there will be another folder saying the activities for Thursday. So these will be updated. Now, if you look at the top here, we've got week 1. Next week, we'll have another folder here saying wythnos 2, week 2. So save you scrolling down. If you just quick access, just go wythnos 1, wythnos 2. Once you click on this, the view's a little bit different, but scroll down and all the work is there. It's a bit more compact. Hope this helps you all. We're hoping this is teething problems. Any other questions, please contact the school at any time. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr.